question now. Okay, so starting from question number code P, question number 93. The question is that the coconut water from tender coconut represents. The options are given: endocarp, fleshy mesocarp, free nuclear proembryo, and free nuclear endosperm. So we know that coconut water, it represents the free nuclear endosperm. It is composed of thousands of free nucleus. Suppose this is the primary endosperm nucleus, and this primary endosperm nucleus undergo repeated mitosis division to form many nucleus, which ultimately converted to the liquid portion of coconut. So answer of that question will be 4. The coconut water from tender coconut represents free nuclear endosperm. So then move to question number 94. The question number 94 is that which of the following statements is wrong for viroids? So options are given: they lack a protein coat, they are smaller than viruses, they cause infections, and their RNA is of high molecular weight. We know that viroids are some subviral entities. So obviously they are smaller than viruses and they are composed of only RNA molecule. They lack protein coat, and the RNA which is present in the viroids, that is of low molecular weight. But in the option, one of the option is that its RNA is of high molecular weight, so that statement will be incorrect. That statement will be wrong. So question number 94, the correct answer will be 4. So next move to the question number 97. Question number 97 is that immersion enhancement effect in red rock have been instrumental in the discovery of. So option A, photophosphorylation and non-cyclic electron transport. 2, two photosystem operating simultaneously. 3, photophosphorylation and cyclic electron transport. And D, oxidative phosphorylation. So we know that immersion found that when light of different wavelengths are shorter wavelength and much longer wavelength superimpose simultaneously, that the rate of the photosynthesis increases, because both the light have a synergistic effect that one helps the another. It leads to the conclusion that two groups of the pigments, one absorbing light of shorter wavelength and one absorbing the light of longer wavelength, operating simultaneously, and this leads to the development of two photosystems involved in photosynthesis. So correct option will be immersion enhancement effect and red rock have been instrumental in the discovery of. The correct option will be 2. Two photosystems operating simultaneously. Then next move to the question number 98. In which of the following all the three are macronutrients? We know the macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. These are the macronutrients. In that given question, we have to find out in which of the option all the three options are example of macronutrients. So option 1 is given boron, zinc, manganese. So out of boron, zinc and manganese, we know that none of them are macronutrients. All of them are micronutrients. Next move to the option number 2, iron, copper and molybdenum. Again, iron, copper, molybdenum, all of three are micronutrients. Then option phosphorus. So here also nitrogen and phosphorus are macronutrients, but nickel is a micronutrient. So for this option, correct option is not available. So next move to the question number 101. Question number 101 is mitochondrial chloroplasts are. Option A is given as A, semi-autonomous organelle, and B is given formed by division of pre-existing organelle, and they contain DNA but lack protein synthesizing machinery. So we know mitochondria and chloroplast, both of them are semi-autonomous organelle, because mitochondria and chloroplast both contain DNA, RNA and ribosome. So we know they are semi-autonomous and they are formed by the division of pre-existing organelle. That is also correct, but next portion is given that they contain DNA. Yeah, obviously they contain DNA but lack protein synthesizing machinery, but that portion is false because ribosome is there, and we know ribosome is the protein factories of a cell, so they can synthesize protein. So here the correct option will be 3, that is A statement is correct and statement B is false. So next move to the question number 103. In a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in. Option A is given stroma, B lumen of thylakoids, C intermembrane space, and D antenna complex. Suppose this is a thylakoid. So in this thylakoid, this portion is known as lumen, and suppose this portion is, outside portion is stroma. Here PS2 is located, and suppose in that portion this is PS1, and here the complex CF0, CF1. So there are 3 events occur here. PS2, it is concerned with the photolysis of water, which ultimately produce proton, electron and oxygen, as a result of which protons are released in the lumen. Secondly, the electrons from PS1 move to NADP+, which takes up proton from the stroma to form NADPH2. And most importantly, here is a carrier located known as plastoquinone, and that carries proton from the stroma and it releases it in the lumen. So due to these 3 events, first one photolysis of water, second one that plastoquinone brings proton from stroma to the lumen, and thirdly PS1 used proton from the stroma. Due to these 3 events in the lumen, proton concentration increases. So in a question, in a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in, the option will be 2, and that is lumen of thylakoid. Next move to the question number 105. The question is that spindle fiber attached onto one option telomere of the chromosome, 2 kinetochore of the chromosome, 3 centromere of the chromosome, and the kinetosome of the chromosome. So the option will be, we know spindle fibers, they are formed at the time of cell division, and they are associated with a protein plate which is known as kinetochore. So answer of that question will be 105. The answer will be 2. That is kinetochore of the chromosome. Then the next question is question number 109. And the question is microtubules are the constituent of. We know microtubules, these are some proteinaceous filament which are the part of cytoskeleton. And these microtubules are normally present in flagella, cilia, centriole and spindle fiber. These are the structures which are present in a cell, and these structures are composed of that proteinaceous filament known as microtubule. So question is microtubules are the constituent of. Option A, cilia, flagella, peroxisome. Cilia and flagella is correct, but peroxisome is incorrect, so that option is not possible. Option 2, spindle fiber, centriole and cilia. As I already told that centriole, cilia, spindle fiber, all of them are composed of microtubule, so correct answer will be 2. Then the next question is question number 110. And the question is that a complex of ribosomes attached to a single strand of RNA is known as. So we know at the time of protein synthesis, many ribosomes are joined with each other with the help of a strand of mRNA. These are the ribosomes which are joined by the help of a mRNA, and this structure is known as polysome or polyribosome. So question number 110, the correct answer will be 1. That's polysome. Then move to the question number 113. And the question is that the Avena curvature is used for bioassay of. So we know that Avena curvature test that is used for bioassay of auxin. But auxin is not in the option. Options are ABA, ZA3, IAA and ethylene. So we know IAA is a type of auxin. So answer will be, correct answer will be 3. Then next question number 114. And the question is, the standard petal of a papilionaceous corolla is also called. So in case of papilionaceous corolla, the arrangement of the petals are like one of the petal is very large and it is known as standard or vexillum. Standard or vexillum encloses 2 lateral petals which are free from each other and known as wings or ali. Wings or ali encloses 2 another petals which are fused and known as keel or carina. Now move to the question once again. The standard petal. So that means this one. Standard petal of a papilionaceous corolla is also called. 4 options are there: carina, peppas, vexillum, corona. As I have already written here that standard is also known as vexillum. So this will be the answer. That answer will be 3. Then move to the question number 115. Question number 115 is tricarpillary Syncarpus gynoecium is found in the flower of. Tricarpillary, that means number of Next move to the question number 116. And the question is that one of the major component of cell wall of most fungi is. So we know that fungi, majority of the fungi, they have cell wall which is made up of a polymer known as chitin, which is actually a polymer of acetyl glucosamine. Four options are here. Option 1 chitin, 2 peptidoglycan, 3 cellulose, 4 hemicellulose. So correct answer will be 1. Then question number 118. In meiosis, crossing over is initiated in. We know crossing over occurs during prophase 1 of meiosis, and prophase 1 of meiosis, it is composed of different substages: lactotin, zygotin, pectin, diplotin, and dikinesis. Out of that 5 different substages, crossing over, this process occurs in the stage known as pectin. So that is the answer, pectin. So answer will be 1. Next move to the question number 123. And the question is that which of the following is not a feature of the plasmid? Option 1 independent replication, option 2 circular structure, option 3 transferable, and option 4 single stranded. So we know that plasmid is a structure which is commonly found in case of bacteria, and this is composed of double stranded DNA. It is a circular structure which is capable of self-replication, and it can transfer from one bacteria to another bacteria. So first option, that is independent replication, that's correct. Option B 2 circular structure, that is also correct. Option 3 transferable, that is also correct. Option 4 single stranded, that's incorrect because we know plasmid is a double stranded structure. So correct answer will be 4. Then next move to the question number 129. And the question is that which one of the following statement is wrong? Option 1 cyanobacteria are also called Luginalgae. We know that cyanobacteria is a part of kingdom Monera, which is also known as Luginalgae. So that statement is correct. Option 2 golden algae are also called Dasmic. That is also correct. Option 3 eubacteria are also called false bacteria. So we know eubacteria. What is the meaning of the word eu? The word eu means true. So definitely eubacteria means these are the true bacteria, which include bacteria, Luginalgae and all. And option 4 Phycomycetes are also called algal fungi. So we know Phycomycetes is a group which shares some of the character which are similar with the algae. So that option is also correct. We have to find out the wrong statement. So wrong statement will be 3. Then next move to the question number 130. Question number 130 is